Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how you can install Laravel 8 in shared hosting. So let me show you. I have right now the file manager. Let me go the first of all the root directory which we have, and if you don't know how to create account, so I will guide you also. So right now I'm using the domain registrar website. So what you can do, you can go the domainregistrar.com and you can select whatever hosting is good for you as your business, and if you're the professional or startup, whatever you plan suitable for you, you can select from there only. So I have already the plan, right? And why I'm suggesting the domain registrar, because the 24/7 support, SSD and free domain also you can get from here only. So here the multiple benefits is there if you going with the domain registrar. So this is my personal experience, guys, I'm sharing with you. So it's back again. So here you can check, we have the website manager. So what we need to do here, first of all, you need to go scroll down and just click on the soft plus app installer. So once you clicked on, you need to search here Laravel directly. Laravel you can search like a framework we are using. Okay, so just click on the Laravel first of all, and here also we have the options like in drop down. So if you want to custom installations, right, so you can do here. So I want to quick installations, that's why I click added here, right here. So I'm going to put in the Laravel 3 folder something, and version you want, so I'm going to with the Laravel 8. Okay, because if you want to Laravel 9, then you need to also configure with the PHP version. I will let you know how you can configure the Laravel 9 and how you can need to configure the PHP version also in next video. So here what we need to do, once I clicked on the Laravel 8.83, okay, so just click on here Laravel 8. I'm going to put in the Laravel 8.3 something. This will take little bit time. So finally this is done, and just click on this link which is a Laravel 83. So why this is taking, because of the by default public folder which is the public, this is calling. Then what you need to do, you need to configure from the .htxs file, so you can make without public your URL. So this is done, and if you want to check where is it is right, so you need to go your project directory, which is the folder directory basically, and I'm going to inside of the virtual public here, and what we have done, Laravel 83, right? So this is the instruction of the Laravel 8. And so also if you need any other help from my side, let me know. Definitely I will create a separate video for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel.